What's your biggest Target run weakness?
Last time I was in Vegas, I was going there for groceries to have like a regular breakfast, and I walked out with a sweet Smokey the Bear hat. The more accurate the data, the better the digital advertising experience is. When guests are happy, brands are happy, and Target's happy because guests are getting a great experience. I'm Guthrie Collin. I'm Vice President of Product Management for Roundel, which is Target's retail media network. Roundel lets brand advertisers connect to Target guests in authentic ways. On-site website, on a Target app, and in in-store digital properties. Digital media is driven by data. That data needs to be fresh, accurate, and timely. And in our prior stack, we used the best technology, but as fast as we could get was 1.5 to 2 days. You can't use that data in an activated way at all. So we actually rebuilt our entire data pipeline native to the Google Cloud. The most direct impact, our data freshness, we're going from 2 days to 2 hours. That is an incredible improvement because advertisers are seeing more results. We're seeing double-digit growth in the actual revenue we're collecting from the new data capabilities. And the best part is advertisers use that data to delight our guests, so everyone's happy. By using Lakehouse architecture, all of it comes in one place, so when data is generated, it lands in cloud storage almost instantaneously. Then we use a managed Spark instance in order to process all the data, and the last part is BigQuery. BigQuery is our analytical compute engine. It allows folks to do ad hoc queries in near real time to solve special client needs and power our AI algorithms faster than we were before. This architecture shortens the distance between signal, insight, and action, and it's a really powerful driver to grow both the sales and the advertising results. Before moving to Google Cloud, we couldn't even consider conversational analytics because our data was too fragmented. Having all the data in a single place allows us to make the artificial intelligence better. When you take generic models and you ground them in real contextual data, they drive much bigger results. One of the big things we see is to upskill our entire team using the capabilities that come from the Google Cloud Platform. That could be AutoML, Agentic Studio, ML right in BigQuery. It's really democratizing the data to the frontline workers that are working with the advertisers every day and can drive the business forward. Once the foundation works, you can reuse that pattern anywhere. With Google Cloud, Roundel is turning data from insight into action while the shopping day is still live.